So today we will discuss on foreign literatures that had told about Indians. Megasthenes had written Indica book, Admin and Socio-Economic of Mauryans, Ptolemy, Geography of India, Geography treatise in India in 2nd century AD, Pliny, Naturca's Historia recounts trade relations between Rome and India in 1st century AD, Anonymous, Periplus of the Erythraean Sea, Voyage of Indian coast in 18 AD, Fahen, Record of Buddhist country, Records of Gupta Empire in 5th century AD, Yuan Shang, Buddhist record of Western world, Social economy and religious condition of India in 5th and 7th century, written in Harshvardhan time. I Sang, record of Buddhist religion of practiced in India and Malay archipelago. Studies the Gupta period under Sri Gupta in 7th century AD. Some of the books written which are important: Vishakhadatta, Mudraraksha during Gupta period. Chanakya had written it, Chandragupta story. Then Malvikangamitham, written by Kalidas, gives introduction of reign of Pushyamitra Sangha dynasty. Harsacharita, written by Bannaphatta. Then Dipavamsa and Mahavamsa, Buddhist books in Sri Lanka, Ashoka's period. Then Divyadan, Tibetan Buddhist and Ashoka period. Subscribe our channel for more videos.